Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic design in just a few minutes. So let's start. So first of all, we're going to insert this a rectangle right here. And put this arrow in it. Let's just decrease the size, and then we're just going to subtract its last part. Then what we're going to do is just change this color to blue, and then put this triangle right here. Then we're just going to give it a gradient. Then just after giving it a gradient, what you have to do is just move it to the shape right here. Then duplicate it, send it to the back, and we're just gonna make it look like a shadow by giving it a black color and then a gradient. Here we go. Then after doing that, we have to insert our text and other stuff. And we're just gonna insert a title right here. Let's just give it other colors, and then we're gonna change the shadows side. Similarly, we just have to put it up right here like this. And give it the shadow. Now this is time for text. Here we go. We're just gonna put the text onto the left side as well and change its color. After doing that, we have to just put a small rectangle right here to remove the shadow part. Here we go. So yeah, this is the final result. If you want this free template, you can just ask in the comments.